Hello everybody and welcome back to this channel. Millions are trying to make your own masks right now. We've gone beyond the point of arguing should we wear or should we not wear masks. Everybody's wearing masks, but there's a large group of people out there that are not wearing them correctly. They're not using the right fabrics, and today's video we're going to be addressing the fact that men with beards aren't wearing the correct masks. We've got a solution. We've got a DIY solution for men with beards, a mask that fits right around it, nice and tight and snug, and keeps them safe. This video includes a detailed tutorial on how to make this mask with this sack right here to hold your beard. We've also got a free printable pattern with measurements, everything you need. Stay tuned for more. Now I've got to say that a DIY homemade face mask using fabric is not going to offer you the exact same protection as a professional medical grade mask. But if you're at home and you don't want to be constantly replacing masks, you don't have the budget for it, or you just can't get hold of it, this is a great reusable, washable solution. Okay, so you may be asking, why do guys with beards need a different face mask? The usual typical DIY face mask or even the disposable face masks only cover this area here. Now if you've got a long beard, guess what? Those vapors are coming through underneath. You're not getting any protection underneath here. Most masks should fit perfectly flush to your skin to prevent anything coming through. Besides that, guys with beards tend to touch their beards. They tend to run their hand through their beards. Guys, guess what? You're getting all those vapors. You're getting the disease on your hands. And where are your hands going? You might be touching your eyes. Who knows? That's unsafe. So we've come up with a DIY solution. And guess what? This one also has a filter pouch. We thought of that too. Now don't make the mistake of just using any fabric. In fact, I go into great detail about what fabrics to use in my other video. I'm going to leave a link down below. You must choose something like 100% cotton that gives you the best protection. For the filter, we're using your typical kitchen towel, your paper towel that you buy for your kitchen. But a lot of people are finding that that has sold out already. So we've had a lot of debates and we've looked at a lot of research, and you know what you can use? Your typical coffee filter has a 50% protection rate as well. So you could use something like that. You could use 3-ply tissues. That also works, but the breathability is not great on those. So see if you can get the kitchen toweling. It works the best for your filter. Now in terms of the elastic that goes around your ear, a lot of people are telling me now they cannot find your typical elastic. For this, I suggest you could use a rubber band, or you could use a hair band that the ladies wear. There's even been suggestions of women's stockings. Just cut strips of women's stockings. You'll see that it actually rolls up nicely and you can stitch it on either end, and it's going to be nice and soft around your ears. Okay, so what are the two main factors that make this mask different from the other one that I did in a previous video? Look at the length of it. This has been designed to catch all your beard, but it can't just catch your beard. It has an elastic bottom so that it fits perfectly underneath your chin and attaches to your skin. So it's giving you that full-on protection underneath. Let me show you around the ears. Okay, so your beard can hang inside here. Now you'll see in the pattern that you can make this as long as you want, depending on how big your beard is. Look how nice and tight this is on my neck over here. You can see that nothing is coming in there. And now using my filter in my filter pouch, which has been designed on the inside, I simply put this in and I have extra protection over there. So now I know you're interested to see how easy it is to make this. And that's really important, right? We don't want to spend hours trying to figure this out. I've got patterns, measurements, and directions. I'm going to put a link down below in the description box where you can go download this. But watch the tutorial now so you can understand how it's made. Now our pattern is actually to scale. I'm going to leave a downloadable version of this on our blog. The link is down below and you can cut it out to scale. So it's printable, cut it out to scale, and what you'll see is this is the actual size of it. This part can certainly be extended depending on the length of your beard. Then this is the pocket that you will attach. But let's go through the steps. Step 1 is to cut 4 pieces in exactly that shape. Cut 4 pieces, so you're going to take 2 of the pieces and join the curved ends, and you're going to do that for both pairs. With your 4 pieces now in 2, you're going to put the one in on the other one, and you're going to stitch the top closed. Then you're going to turn it inside out. Then you're going to cut just a simple square and you're going to stitch it on the inside. So exactly like this. Now you'll see that I actually curved my filter pouch at the bottom instead of making it square, so that I could use a coffee filter, which is more rounded. But a square makes it quite simple for the paper toweling to just slip on inside. Now that's on the inside. Now what you want to do is maybe sew just a simple hem on your pouch, and your filter just simply slips through here, and it gives you that extra protection. Remember to go check out my previous video to see exactly what protection it provides. So this is exactly how it looks on the front. On the sides, on the inside, as you can see, there is the little pouch for your filter, and then here is the elastic for the bottom. Now this DIY beard face mask is a little more complex in sewing, but I have included a full pattern that you can download, as well as the instructions that will help you with it. I'm also available if you want to ask any questions or get any advice. You can just leave comments on our Facebook or on our blog, and we'll be happy to answer you. Guys, we're in this together. We're here to help you. We're coming up with plans and solutions to give you the most protection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, and while you're here, go check this out. I think you need to see why we've chosen the fabrics that we've chosen and what sort of protection you're actually getting from this.